Connecting your Wix website to Google Analytics allows you to track and analyze visitor data. Here's a brief guide. Create a Google Analytics account. If you don't have one, create a Google Analytics account by visiting the Google Analytics website and following the setup instructions. Get your tracking ID. Once your account is set up, obtain your unique tracking ID from the admin section of your Google Analytics account. Log into your Wix account. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix editor. Access Site Settings. In the Wix editor, click on the Settings option on the left sidebar. Under the Advanced Settings, select Tracking and Analytics. Add New Tool. Click on the plus New Tool button and choose Google Analytics from the drop-down menu. Enter your tracking ID. Paste your Google Analytics tracking ID into the provided field. Enable Analytics. Toggle the switch to enable Google Analytics for your Wix site. Save and publish. Click Apply and then Publish to save the changes and make them live on your website.